Hello there, Year 5s, it's Mr. Conway here. Now for today's how-to guide, this is to help you with your grammar paper that you'll be looking at today on your day 1 for English. Now, one of the questions in there is talking about relative clauses, and this is something that we have covered whilst we were all together in Year 5, but this is just a reminder video to help you, okay? So first of all, what is a relative clause? Well, a relative clause is a subordinate clause. That means it can't stand by itself. It has to be part of a sentence. And it's a clause that describes a noun or pronoun. So that's the definition of a relative clause. But one of the biggest giveaways to know you're reading a relative clause are these words here: who, which, that, and where. There are other ones as well, but these words are actually called relative pronouns, okay? Who, which, that, and where. So if you see a relative pronoun somewhere within a sentence, you are probably just about to read a relative clause. So I'm going to do a practical example for you. So I'm going to rub those relative clauses off. Take a picture of that in your brain. Who, which, that, where. Right, so we might use one of those relative pronouns in a sentence. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to write a sentence. This is just going to be a main clause, a simple sentence. The teddy bear had soft fur. Now, the teddy bear I'm writing about here is actually the teddy bear that you see on our Good Morning Charlton shows. Now, here's a simple sentence. The teddy bear had soft fur. So just the main clause. I now want to add a relative clause into this sentence. That'll make it into a complex sentence, okay? So, the teddy bear had soft fur. So my relative pronouns were who, that, which, and where. I think I'm going to use the relative pronoun who. Where would I insert that? Now remember, a relative clause adds more description to a noun. The teddy bear had soft fur. Now in this sentence, teddy bear is my noun. And I'm going to add a relative clause straight after the noun describing that noun. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rub off the final bit of this sentence for now. I will add it again later because I'm going to insert a relative clause now. So I'm going to put a comma because I'm going to do some parentheses here. So the teddy bear, comma, start with a relative pronoun, who. Now that teddy bear from Good Morning Charlton, that teddy bear is always holding a ukulele. So the teddy bear who was holding a ukulele, comma, had soft fur. Full stop. The teddy bear, comma, who, relative pronoun, was holding a ukulele, comma, had soft fur. So the relative clause in this sentence is who was holding a ukulele. The biggest clue was our relative pronoun, which is who, and this subordinate clause describes the noun, which is the teddy bear. So there you are, Year 5s. That's just a little how-to guide about relative clauses and how to insert them. But in your grammar paper today, I think this might be question 1. See if you can spot a relative pronoun there. That would be the biggest clue I can give you, okay? So enjoy your day, Year 5s, and enjoy your work with grammar today.